Good morning, students. Today we'll continue the same chapter. Uh, we have already discussed the server side software, client side software, and today I'll discuss testing a network service. So, because of the complexity of network software, it is very difficult to test. Even in simple network service such as data input faces some challenge. So, some of the advice that that may, uh, may be helpful. So, use the three-layer software architecture and modularize each layer on both the client and server side. Use of incremental or stepwise approach in developing each module, starting with the stub for each method and compile test each module each time after when we add any details. So next, develop the client first. It is sometimes useful to employ an eco server that is known to be correct and uses a compatible IPC mechanism to test the client independently. So, doing in this manner allow you to develop the client separately from the server. Always use diagnostic message throughout the source code. Test the client server suite on a single machine before running program on separate machine. So next topic is connection oriented and connectionless servers. So the internet protocol eco is the basis for a well-known internet service. The eco protocol simply allow a client to send one text line to the server at a time, receiving an echo of each line from the server. The protocol uses an eco server on any internet host as a temporary server. When a software engineer is developing a client for another protocol, there are two implementation of the services, one using connectionless server and other is connection oriented server. So first we'll start the connectionless eco client server. Connectionless eco client server, in which the eco client, in this the presentation logic for the client is encapsulated in the eco client one class. As we have discussed earlier, the presentation logic, the service logic, application logic, here is the same concept कि presentation logic client का जो है वो eco client one class को encapsulate करता है जो कि provide करेगा interface for prompting for the server information, and then using loop for the next line to send and receive next line to send to the eco server. So the sending of text string and receiving of echo in return is handled by a method, and the method is get echo of client server one class. Here also a helper class, that is the echo client helper one class, provide the application logic for the client, and an instance of this class is created by echo client process, which hold the address of the server host as well as the reference to the socket used by the client for IPC. जो गेट इको मेथड है वो सॉकेट यूज़ करता है टू सेंड एंड रिसीव लाइन फ्रॉम द सर्वर, और एक क्लोज मेथड होता है जो कि सर्वर को सॉकेट को क्लोज करता है. नेक्स्ट इज इको सर्वर. हियर इज द इको क्लाइंट, हियर इज इको सर्वर. सो हियर इको सर्वर under Java combines the presentation logic and application logic for the server. In each iteration of the forever loop, the server reads a line from the socket and then writes the line back to the socket, addressing the reply to the sender. Since there is no connection involved, it is possible for the server to interact with different client in successive iterations, resulting in interleaved concurrent services session. So here the diagram, this is the sequence diagram for interleaved session with the echo server. Here the server is interacting with two clients. In this, the echo server 1, client 1 and client 2. So suppose two concurrent client of this implementation A and B interleave their interaction with an instance of echo server 1. Here this is in this diagram, this is echo server 1, client 1 and client 2. So client 1 is sending message to the echo server 1 and echo server is echoing that message back. Okay. Client 2 is also sending the message and server is echoing the message to the client 2. So here it is shown in the diagram that two clients are interacting with the server concurrently. Okay. So go through this lecture. I hope you will able to understand, and if you are having any problem, please let me know.